What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to be straight piping my friend's truck. He called me, so he was telling me shit. Basically, he tired of that bitch sounding normal, so he want me to come straight pipe that bitch. We gotta go find a sawzall, and we gotta go find a damn extension cord. Get those two, we got a straight pipe truck. So until then, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I got both of them. So stay tuned. Okay. All right, YouTube. So we back. We trying to figure out a location on this side of the truck that we can cut. Figure it out.
It was the yelling. You hear it?
Yeah, that's that real nigga laugh. Yeah, shit. I want to come from this other side.
All right, they just scrape piped it a bit. We finna crank it up. Let's see how it sounds. Y'all ready?
Stop! No, we got to the other side.
Shit up.
It's like,
Okay.
no, don't hold your finger.
I think I'm in a good position. Y'all, got your other angle right there. Let's go ahead and start this cut. I'll use my slide.
No, I'm sorry, I don't need y'all no more. I love y'all pipes.
Just use my slide. Get right. Let's go ahead and get this shit started, guys.
But I need it.
That's good. Need some pressure on this motherfucker. I'm in a tight spot.
You need
Let me shut up under this motherfucker.
you need something to put under.
Little fucking part. Damn, bitch, you burnt me.
Wow,
Caught a cramp.
damn.
Muscle cramp. Right there. It's tight as fuck. Motherfucker. Oh shit. That's that. I'm cooking the bitch right.
Shit, hold on.
Nah, cause you want a space. What up, like how the other one was?
Shit, I was gonna say. Damn. Lucky one to just cut this bitch right here. Cut that bit right there.
Nah, but
And remove all of that.
You gotta look at the angle of this pipe now. This angle is turned this way, so if I don't cut this bitch straight right here, for it to shoot out to the flow.
Yeah, you got
it's gonna burn that shit. Back. Job is done. Truck started.
First thing I'm gonna do when I get back.
Consumer.
I got my bag.
Okay.
Throw that screw on there.
Hell yeah. Hold on.
It's gonna be fun this to stand right here.
Yeah. What she doing? Pull it out a little bit more. There you go. As soon as that bitch crank up, it's gonna fall. She told you already.
Pause the gas.
Hell yeah, let me. And then turn around.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That boy hollering. That be hollering. Spin back around.
Have a YouTube content a real nigga need.
Hell yeah. Whoa! Whoa! What happened? Whoa!
Damn, boy, that motherfucker sound beautiful. That nigga love that shit, boy. Look, what we making? Turning up all 2023, boy. We got some summer fun for you guys. We got a bunch of car meets. We got a bunch of takeovers. We got some shit in Atlanta. We got some shit in fucking North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, New York. We're going to takeovers in New York, cause this shit about to be so fucking crazy.
Man, y'all boys tune in, man.
Hey, y'all better tune in or you gonna miss out. Where the fuck do you niggas disappear? Where the fuck he went at? Hell no. There you go.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Boy, that shit sounds so fucking different, bro.
What, bro? Man, that boy ain't gonna do
Boy.
nothing in that bitch.
Boy, that shit sounds so different. Burn out. Burn out.
Burn out.
Is that turn? That boy don't know how to act, but yep, make sure y'all stay tuned. We about to give y'all some more lit content. Make sure y'all stay tuned for Friday. Gone?
Gas like a mug. Got like 25 miles worth of gas.
What's in the truck?
What's in the truck, Jabari?
What's in the truck?
What's in the truck, Jabari? Shit. Well, y'all, if y'all like this video, y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video. Peace. So yeah, y'all, man, we in this motherfucker. Yeah, the paddle shift, them bitches hard.
I don't like it like this.
Yeah.
I don't like the paddle
But then you gotta drive a certain type of way to do
You
that.
gotta drive like this. I'm finna go
you how to slide this bitch by. Yeah! Real horsepower, nigga.
Freeway.
Coming through. 454 to a 505. I'm live. Your shit off the frame, but don't even drive. Because of your pride, should've bought you a bean.
Man, how you like the new shit you set up, man?
Man, this shit wrong as fuck. I'm sorry, man.
I done put you in the game.
Yeah.
This bitch, y'all, when they crank up, bro, it sounds way harder. Like you can feel that bit now, huh?
What?
That bitch. That nigga looked at you like, bitch, police. No, don't hit the brakes. You just cruise. You looked over that bitch?
This probably
Porn. You talking about patrol porn. And then you go hit that bitch while you back down there. Alright. Up, boys.
Damn. I can't even take them boys on the high speed. They gonna hear my ass. Oh, it sound like he over there.
Okay.
It sound like he over there. Damn, I don't want to go all the way around.
Nah, make this right.
What, next one?
Yeah, next one.
Can it make me please?
Nice,
That
next
clear
one.
coat basic. Running. And yes, it's for sale if you got 200. Everything work. This ain't the don't my the word. I made the wanna twerk. Cut the beat down cause the trunk about to burst. And the shit loose stress. Got all my on with a pocket full of Benji.
Right on 25th.
Hell yeah, this bitch way more fun. That bitch spinning like this.
Coming through.
Just don't be on that shit when you turning. Man, come on, nigga. He made that nigga move. He made that nigga move, y'all.
Coming down. The dope coming down.
Bro, what the fuck you doing?
Yeah.
You couldn't do that in the first place.
I'm about to head on the beach. Get my from out of town free. Hit the club like later on. Valet the Brom, honey, I ain't coming home. I got the parking lot rock. Stick on the seat for the plot. White folks take pictures. Hat to the back, a big bottle of liquor. All of tryna holler. If you don't get from around my parlor, you better be shown. And no broke a lot of my bro. I hit the gas on the big block. Don't stop. See the cheese in my squad. Top down, get close to God. Never see no my boy.
Oh my God! Damn!
Coming through. We coming down.
Hell no, put that bitch back in drive.
Let's see how this motherfucker sound.